up though, yeah? Yeah. Is it not?
It makes you do things you might not have done if I was away. And that it's me that likes to talk to and watches you as you walk away. Don't say it's useless, don't say forget it.
Turn out those lights!
Yo, I'm a hiding by the astronaut, crashing while jacking off the buffer mids of Asheroth, eating applesauce. Sent to Earth to poke Catholics in the ash for sauce and knock blunt ashes into their caskets and laugh it off. Twisted sicker than mad cattle. In fact, I'm off 6 different liquors with a piss wig plastered on. Stop screaming, bitch. You shouldn't be that alarmed. The big lifters in the attic arms with an addict's arm. Earl puts the ass in assassin, puts the pieces of decomposing bodies in plastic, puts them in a pan and mixes it up with scat, then gobbles it like fat black bitches and catfish. It so happens that I'm so haphazardous, I'll keep a piece and put it on a hook and fucking cast the shit. I'm asking that you faggot rap actors take action and get a hall pass for this class act shit. How the fuck I fit an axe in a satchel? Slip capsules in a glass, she dizzy rascal. Party staff baffled, asking where her ass go. In my room, redefining the meaning of black hole.
That's some dog tail shit, huh? Y'all know that movie, right?
Yeah.